Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fill a form in Acrobat Adobe Reader. So let's start. First let me find a form from internet. Okay. Here I am writing bio data form PDF. Okay, here I have got a biodata form. Then open. Here I will click enable editing. Here I will click OK. Okay, then it is enable for editing. Now here click fill and sign. Okay. Now a new type of form will be open like this. You can select the text, add text tool here. Here application for the post of whatever you want. You can write like anything you can. Okay, then you can write your name here in block letters, capital letters. Okay, shows up. Okay, it's my name. Okay, father's name, you can write anything here. Okay, date of birth, you can write your date of birth with the help of the text tool only. Okay, here I am writing my 9/01/2005. Okay, in words you can write the same. Then you can write the address for correspondence using the same tool. Then contact telephone number, whatever you have. Then email, if any. It's not compulsory, you can write it here. Then permanent address, nationality and religion. I am writing here my nationality and religion. Okay, just I am writing the nationality. Okay, I will not give my religion. Then you can select this one. Then all of this you can select. If there is something to tick or cross like this, you can use this tool. Add cross tool. You can use this. You increase the size by clicking this large A, or decrease by clicking on this small A, or you can delete this cross by clicking on the dustbin option. Okay, then you can add the tick option as the same. Okay, you can also add a circle if there is something to be encircled. Okay, then you can here underline it, anything like this, and you can increase the size like this. Yeah, from here you can also do it. Then you can, if there is anything like OMR sheet type, you can add this dot. Okay, like this decrease the size, increase like this. You can do anything. Then if there is something like here I will write signature of. If there is something like this, you can go to the sign option. Then you can add signature here. Then you can type a signature like Saurabh Kumar Patel, like this, or you can draw it like this, anything you have. Then add image. You can scan your image by scanner. Then you can browse it. When you will click on it, the browsing option will be here. You can select any signature. Okay, then you can click on apply like this. I will click here apply. Okay, I will get this here. When you save a form with a signature or initials, you will no longer be able to edit the existing form. Okay, you can place it here like this. This signature. Okay, I don't want to give my signature here. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you like, click on the like option. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye friends.